Hi, myself Oscar De Mello. This is my Grand Vitara. Just bought it a couple of days ago, and I thought of doing the change on my upholstery by choosing my own color, and I found Orchis is the best in the market. I have checked their review, I have checked many videos, and I personally checked the kind of fitting. If you see, it is excellently done the work. People are really doing good job. I can recommend this company for many people to try it, observe it. You will love it. Thank you.